This cart is an awesome solution for Legos. My only word of caution is that when you look, make sure you pay close attention to the... Hey guys, Joshua here from Gander Flight. Today I want to talk about why I chose this specific cart for our Lego solution. So my family moves around every 2 to 3 years, and not knowing what our next house setup is going to look like makes it really hard to invest in large pieces of furniture. I would love to have one of the IKEA setups with all the drawers and a top that we put some Lego things on for my kids to play Legos. But not knowing what our next place is going to be like, it really just doesn't make sense to invest the money in such a large piece of furniture, not knowing if it will fit in the next place. So, the alternative I found is this cart. And I know what you're thinking, I've seen that cart everywhere. You have, but this one's a little bit different, and that twist and difference is what makes it perfect for Legos. Hey, quick interruption. If you're into DIY, tinkering, fixing, or making, come join us in our free group. I'll put a link in the description box below. So the difference between this cart and the ones that you see at Walmart, and even some of the listings on Amazon, is that it is slightly wider and slightly deeper. Now the reason that that makes a difference is because when you have these base plates, the traditional ones are 9.5 inches wide by 13.5 inches deep. This extra wide one is 12.5 inches wide by 14 inches deep. And so it allows the base plates to fit in nicely. The other thing I really like about it is the drawers are completely removable. You can take them out and set them down to play. We've separated ours by color, and it seems to work well for the kids. But the nice thing is I can take them all out, and then when we're done picking up and playing, we just slide them back in, and they go away nice and easy. It's got a super slim profile in that it's vertical. This one has 10 drawers. And then we've got a 3-ring binder with all of the instructions up on top. And because it's a cart, that means that it can be rolled from place to place and room to room. So where the Legos are stored doesn't necessarily mean that's where they have to be played. You don't have to carry a big tub full of Legos and dump them out all over the place. We can roll this one around the house from room to room, wherever the kids are going to be playing with their Legos. And I love it. It's fantastic. I highly recommend it, and I would buy it again if it were to break or we were to lose it. So because we don't know where it's going to go, in which house we're going to be living in, I really like it for the price point, I like it for its mobility, being on wheels, and I like it for the extra wide drawers that come out. That allows us to search through the Legos, find the pieces we're looking for. We can spread out all the different trays and then pass them around as we're playing. And it allows my kids to easily access their Legos while also giving me the satisfaction of having them all contained. You can all go back in this, 13 by 14 footprint on the ground, and we can roll it and tuck it away nicely in any place you need to in the house. So I highly recommend this cart if you are living in a small space or you move often and you don't know where things need to go. This cart is an awesome solution for Legos. And my only word of caution is that when you look on Amazon at the 10 drawer carts, make sure you pay close attention to the descriptions, because some of the 10 drawer carts are the narrow ones, the 9.5. You gotta pay close attention to make sure you get the wide ones and get the 12.5 wide, so they'll fit your base plates and give you that extra couple inches to sort through the Legos and give you more space. So it's not filling up so deep, you can have a wide space that contained to search through things. So if you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. And check back for more gear reviews, life hacks, and DIY projects. Until next time, I'm Joshua, and you've been watching Gander Flight. Take care and pay it forward.